Hey everyone, it's Jessie. If you saw my last couple videos, you saw that I am participating in a collaboration with some other channels. It's called the Spring Shawl Swap. Janna Kay at Flourish, Faith, and Fiber with Janna Kay and Mary at Slow Crochet started this collaboration. And some of the other creators that are also doing this, I gotta look at my notes every time so I don't forget, but it's Cydney at Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations, Connie at Connie's Crafty Corner, and Amy at Amy Loves Crochet. These are some awesome creators. If you want to check out their channels, I'm going to have all their information linked below. For this collaboration, we all made a shawl for one of the other creators, which was very exciting and fun for me. And so I had Connie at Connie's Crafty Corner. I made her a shawl, and my last video was kind of talking about the yarn I bought and my progress on the shawl, and then showing the shawl towards the end, and then of course I shipped it off to her. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, or actually an unbagging, of the shawl that was made for me. Mary at Slow Crochet made a shawl for me, and I am so excited to see what she made for me. So let's get started. I want to be so careful because I do not want to cut anything that shouldn't be cut. I am really excited. All right. Let's make sure I got it all. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I did get a card or letter from her. I am going to read this off camera. This looks beautiful. Okay, I gotta get it open. There's another bag here, so 1 second. Oh my goodness, she put it in such a nice bag. Okay, I'm very excited. Where do I start? So I know Mary said she had some extra yarn left over and asked if I wanted it. I definitely went to turn down yarn. So this is beautiful. Willow yarns, 70% cotton, 30% wool. It's a size 2 weight. Color name Navel. Look at that blue. Isn't that beautiful? And she had a little bit caked up that was left over. Thank you so much, Mary. All right, we got to see this shawl too. Oh, Mary, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, let's see. Oh, that is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, Mary, you took such a lot of, I can't even speak. I'm speechless. You took a lot of time, it looks like, to make this. This is gorgeous. Look at these. Look at these stitches. I'm trying not to tear up here. Thank you, Mary. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at all that work that went into that. Looks like double crochet stitches, I think. I keep getting notifications on my phone here. Look at those stitches. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. Okay, let me see if I can stand up and show you a little bit better. Wow. Take a look at that. That is stunning. Mary, this is gorgeous. I know, I'm repeating myself over and over. But no, seriously, I have never, ever had anyone make me such a gorgeous, beautiful handmade gift. I will treasure this. I will always treasure this. Thank you, Mary. I am so happy. Let's try this on. Oh, it fits perfect. And of course, I love blue. Let's try it on this way. Thank you so much, Mary. I am so happy that I was part of this collaboration. I had so much fun making a shawl for somebody else, just taking that time to create something for someone. I love doing that. I really enjoy it. And of course, I got this beautiful shawl from Mary. And again, I've never had such a beautiful handmade gift before. I will always treasure it. Thank you so much, Mary. And thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next one. Take care.